Today we went for bowling. It was Nnanyereugo's first time throwing the ball. And he did quite well, actually. They brought up these fences on the side so that his ball couldn't fall off. The other kids also tried their luck, but without the fence, the task got a bit harder. And also Ezenwa, who hasn't played for many years, struggled to hit the point.
You have to concentrate though.
And I did pretty well. Though I missed some of them, I managed to strike 3 times.
Try again.
But calculating the points, there was only one winner. And that winner was, of course, Chief Nnanyereugo.